Rishu. Can you hear me?
Hi. Yeah, I can hear you.
Hi, Rishu.
Hi. Hello.
Sorry, my. Okay, I can hear you. Wait a minute, I will
Hello.
adjust. Hi,
Yeah.
Glenn. Welcome. Wait a
Hello.
minute, I will adjust my mic settings because I am in office.
Rishu, why are you holding like this?
It's because I can't hear.
Oh,
Because I'm in my room and they're doing the construction downstairs.
okay.
Oh, some construction is going downstairs.
Yeah, in his house they are doing some construction.
Okay, okay. Um, no problem. We will. You can mute yourself. You can mute yourself.
Okay.
Mm. Suppose if you want to hear ask something, you can unmute yourself and ask. Okay, okay. Only one person
Okay.
need to join. Is it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
If you
Okay.
want, you can ask them to review the homework what
Yes,
they have
yes,
done.
yes, yes. I am eagerly waiting. Actually. Okay. Share your screen one by one and say your struggle. Okay. Who wants to share first? Akilan or Rishu?
Sure.
What do you want to share?
I will share.
Okay,
I will
Akilan.
share.
Okay, Akilan will going to share Rishu. So we will see. Okay, Akilan going to share his screen. Okay.
This is my arithmetic calculator.
Wow, it's so nice. Arranged superb. Is it Rishu? Do you like his menu? Wow, nice. Nice color.
Yes.
Perfectly arranged. Okay, super.
Um. So
So give your value. Okay, 45 and 32. Okay, super. 77. So you can concatenate. I will show you how to concatenate because you can show the result as the sum of two given number is 77. You can give like that. Then if when you click the subtract button, then you can show like the difference between the two numbers 13. Likewise you can show. Okay, I will tell you how to do. And
okay.
click division via multiplication. Okay, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, division is over. Super, Akila. Perfect. Perfect you are doing. Now we will change. Show your code window. Vishu, you also listen carefully because you can get some idea from his. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So he just display the result as a single digit, like 47, 37. But we don't know what is that. Is it? What is that? What is that? The result of the particular value. For that, we can store in the different way. Okay. Just copy that line. Akilan, just copy that particular single line. Yes, that's enough. Copy and paste it in the chat window. Listen
Okay.
carefully. Okay, thank you. So I will copy. So I want to share my screen now. So
Okay.
pin me to show my screen phone. Oh, you stopped. Very good. Okay. So I just copied the code from the chat window. Okay, Rishu, you also listen. I'm going to
Yeah.
correct little bit. So our Akilan has two box like one for first number and one for second number. His code is like this. So this is his code. So the first box name, I just draw one box, now draw another box. Okay, this is our second box. So what is the first box name? It's a first number. First number is the first box name. Second number is the second box name. Okay, is it correct? Is it correct, Akilan? You tell me. Rishu, you just mute
Yeah.
yourself and just listen. Okay, so this is the name of the box. So using that name we can get the code. So through calling the text property, this is our text property actually. So this is test property. Through this property you can get what the end user typed in that box. Okay, through that we can get 45. And likewise through this property you can get from here. So 7, if end user typed 7 in the second number, you can get through this property. So this is the control name, this is the property name. Through this property you can get what they typed in that box. That's it. So always try to use the name of the control in your code. Okay. Here what we do actually, here just we pick both the value. That is here we have 4 and here we have 3. So we just pick the both the value 4 and 3 and converted into value function. That is val. This is called val function. In that function, within that function, whatever you passed as a string, it will converted into a value. Which means 4 is like passed into a string. String means you cannot used in the numerical mathematical calculation. You cannot used. It acts like a name of your text, like Rishu and Akilan and Monish. Likewise, you can access this. It's not treated as a number. So if you want to treat it as a number, you have to convert first. That is val function. It will do that task. So it will convert this 4 into a numerical value 4. So this is called numerical number. You call it as an integer number. No, likewise it will convert. After that, you can use this number in the calculation. So we need to convert it first. So we fetch the number from the box and then convert it into a val. Then after that, doing the multiplication operation using the operator, arithmetic operator asterisk. So what are the operators are available? So arithmetic operator, addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. So these are all the basic operation, arithmetic operator, arithmetic, arithmetic operator. So using that operator, you just perform JAWS, then immediately you displayed. Okay, who is going to join the J Ganesh? So who is Monish Rashid? Monish?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So we are discussing about the Akilan program. Okay, in Akilan program, he designed one prompt neatly, and he used the name like this. He has two test box in his forms as we given. First box name is first number, second box name is second number. So from that, using this property, we are fetching the value, the given value, that is 4 and 3. Then using the arithmetic operation, we can perform our task, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, anything you want, give. You can give. Through val function, what we do actually, you just converted the string into number. That's all. So number is used to in the calculation, but string cannot be used in the calculation, mathematical calculation, so we need to convert it, you must convert it, okay, before going to do the mathematical operations. Okay, you mute yourself, Kanna. Monish, you can mute yourself. Whenever you want to ask some questions, you can unmute and ask me. Okay, that is neatly, you can hear me clearly. Very good, super. So now you can hear me clearly actually. So if you want to ask any question in meanwhile, you can unmute yourself and then ask me. Okay, no problem. Okay, first initially we need to go slow. Once you have you understand with the concept, you can go fast. Okay, so up to that we need to go slow. Okay, here, our Akilan performed the task and stored directly into the label box. So the answer what we have here, 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So 12 is directly placed in the label box. That is not advisable because when you press addition, I need to display like this. The sum of given two value is given to number is 7. I want to do like that when I click addition button. Then if I click the subtract button, I need to display like this. The difference of the given two numbers is 1. Is it 4 minus 3 is equal to 1? No. Then the product of the given two value is two value or numbers, anything. Yes. What will come? Monish.
12.
Ah, 12. Very good. 12. So the quotient, next the quotient of the given number is 1 as usual. So I want to show like different string. So how can I do that? First you need to store the value not directly into the label box. You just first store these lines, these answer. We can get some answer from these lines, no? When we execute, we just get the lines. Okay, this is our code line. So after doing the operations, where we need to store, I want to store in one container. I need a memory container. That memory container is called container. What is spelling? Okay, container. So that is called variable or identifiers. Here what is called variables or identifiers. So you just make one memory allocation. You need to allot one memory and you need to name that memory. In that memory location, you can store your value. So how can I allocate the memory for space for me? Using dim keyword, you can allocate the memory and you can name it as a simple name, meaningful name. I want to store my answer, no, so I want to name it as a result. And what the type of data I'm going to store in that memory location, you need to mention that using as keyword. As integer, I want to store the numbers, so I call it as a integer. Suppose if I want to store text like a string, you need to store as a string. So if you don't know the type, just leave it blank. That is default data type, that is variant. Variant means it will take as what you assigned in that value, it will take that particular data type. So always try to give some other data type like integer. So I want to store numbers only, so I am going to store my value into this result, so I need integer type of variable. So what is my variable? This is my variable. What is the data type? This is my data type. This is the keyword. Both are keyword. This dim and as is the keyword. This is built-in data type. What type of data you are going to store? I am going to store integer type of data. So I am going to create integer type of variable. This is called one memory container. You named it as a result. So you can use this result in your code. So result equal to, you can type result equal to. So both the number calculate 4 into 3 divided by 12. Sorry, 4 into 3 is equal to 12 is stored inside the result. Okay, your container result having the value 12. Now you are going to print this result into the label box, this answer label box. So result label box, his name is his control name is label 4 is the result box. So you need to type what is your label box, result 4. I want to display my result in this box, in this label box. So I need to use carefully my name correctly. Then inside the box, how do I print the product of two numbers? Because this is multiplication, no? So the product of the given two numbers is, product means is, okay? So product, what you need to comma or plus? So you just using plus operator, I combined both result. So here result is a integer, this is a string. So when you concatenation different two data type, this is integer, this is double quotes means this is called a string. So if you concatenate using joining the string, if you want to join, you need to convert like you are going to convert value function. How do you use? It will convert string into number. It will convert string into number, that is integer. Likewise, you can reverse it. That is integer or number into string. So you can convert. So just convert the result and then connect with the string. So the product of two given number is, the result is converted into string. So it will easily joined with the first string. So the product of given two number is 12. It will print. Likewise, you can combine. Okay. Uh, can you able to note it down? Akilan, can you change like that?
Yeah.
Okay, share your screen and change. First, run the program without any change. Then Monish can note that. Then after changing the coding for addition button only, then we will see the difference. I will stop the screen. You share your screen. Then run the program without any change. As you run the previous, just like that, give the value. Monish, note it down. Rishu already noted that. Rishu also listen carefully. If possible, share your screen, share your video. Ah, okay, very good, Rishu. Monish, listen carefully. Give 47, then 3. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Monish, what will come if we pressed add button? What will get?
Would be 473.
47 plus 3, what will get?
50.
50, yes. Now press add. So 50. But the answer simply shows us a 50. But what is good? The sum of given two number is 50. It's nice, no, to see the result.
Yeah.
Is it Monish?
Yeah.
Akilan understand. Rishu can also understand because you joined in meantime. So that I'm asking you. Okay. So Akilan now going to change the view of the result. Go Akilan. Change the view of the result like the sum of two numbers. So he need to press control zoom or control plus or control mouse scroll. You can zoom it. I think. Yeah. Now we can see clearly. Thank you for. Okay, change like
What?
first for addition. We will do for addition. We need to assign one variable for that. Okay. So before that line, before that label 4 dot text, type dim. We are going to allocate the memory space. Okay. Rishu and Munish, listen carefully. We are going to allocate the memory space. So that is called dim space What is our variable name? That is our memory location name is result. Okay, to result.
Right.
Result. This is one kind of container. Assume like a container. You can store any numbers in that. Okay, that is dim result space. Leave one space. As is a keyword. Next space. Leave one space. It will give many data type. So you can give it will give integer data type. Integer. Enter. So read that line, dim result as integer. Okay, this is your variable name. You can, instead of storing inside the label box, you can store it inside the result. So cut it down. Label 4 dot text. You just select that word and cut. Control X. Yes, that's alone. Very good, Takilan. Cut it. Control X. Cut. Instead of that, type result. From there, not there. You cut it down, no.
Oh,
Instead of
there.
that, there. So now you add the two values and stored inside the result. Now it's correct. Then after that line, now paste it. Control V. Maintain the indentation. It has to be come in one line. That will be nice to see. Okay. Okay, super. So now equal to put equal to after that put equal to yeah. Now how do you show? If you put result here, it will show just 50 only. But I don't want to 50 alone. I want to print the sum of result. So double quotes within double quotes, correct. Within double quotes, give the sum of result. The sum. Okay, sum of two. Sorry, the sum of two numbers, not sum of result. Sum of two numbers. Whatever you want, you can print. Okay, whatever you want, you can print. Sum of two numbers. Colon space. You can print like that also. Colon, put colon. Shift semicolon put na colon. You can get. Space, leave one space. Then after the double quotes, end of the double quotes, come to end of the double quotes. Now we are going to concatenate. So press plus plus. Then we need to combine the result. So space, leave one space, result. But result is a what data type? Integer data type. You cannot combine string plus integer. You need to convert it. So for the conversion, you can use str. You can use str. Within the str function, you need to pass the result. Str opening bracket. Within that only you can type the result, not the outside. Result. Okay. Erase that line. Yeah. Very good, Akilan. Very good. Erase it. Yeah. Perfect. Look at carefully. Monish, can you understand? Rishu, can you understand this concept? What we are doing here? Before going to print
Yes.
directly. Yeah. Very good. Monish, what about you? We didn't print the directly. We just stored inside the one variable, one container, and we can doing concatenation. Okay, run the program. Run the program.
Okay. It's a slow computer, so
No
it takes
problem, no
some time.
problem, no problem. It will take always because it's a huge library, Akilan. Not about the computer. It's not depends upon only a computer. It's a huge library. It always refers to online, so it takes some time. We have to wait. Okay, we have to wait. 20 and then 2. Oh, wow, nice. But you need to give some alignment because it's overriding the
Yeah,
up
yeah.
button. No problem. Then now you do likewise for subtraction button and as well as for multiplication and division. Okay,
Yep.
super. Rishu and Monish, can you all share your screen? After that, we will have some new topic.
Okay.
Uh,
I'm gonna
share
share mine.
Just share your screen. I want to see your designs. Eagerly waiting.
Yeah, I couldn't do one because I couldn't get the name.
Oh, okay.
Cinnamon.
4 seconds. Yeah. I only do
Okay.
the
Yeah, yeah.
eyes.
I can. Okay, you little bit arrange your colors is so nice, attractive. It's a very effective color, huh? Active color. Red is active color here. Okay, our logo alpha also active color. Okay, button. You can change the color of the text in the button. Select add. Select add button.
Oh yeah,
Go to the property.
the property's not coming up.
Oh,
Wait,
okay. You can. Okay. Come
one
to
sec.
the.
I'm just gonna restart everything.
Okay. Oh, you.
Cancel this.
Oh, this is your
Yeah,
button.
uh, I already saved it on
Oh,
files yesterday, so
okay. Okay.
I'll be able to get it up in a second.
You couldn't you bring your property button, is it?
Yeah, I don't know what's happening. My thing's so slow.
Oh, I think it will come actually. Okay, we will see what happened. Did you try any other file? Other, you
Okay.
just close that and then try to open the new one. You can change your fore color of the button,
Um,
white. Okay, it will be so nice, but that's a problem.
yeah. Calculator.
Property window is not there, huh? But you can bring back using. I will show you. So using thumb toolbar, you can bring back actually. What is the shortcut key? Properties window. Control B. Control W. Control W. Then you can press B. P. Okay, we will create new. You can create new. Okay, just create new file.
Okay.
Click file, edit or anything. Either menu. Click anything.
You know,
It will take some time.
it's because we've got so many devices using this network, so it'll be a bit
Okay.
slow.
I don't know. Yeah. Oh, it comes like this. Okay. Some students have this problem, but not all.
I,
Some students
I
have.
had I had this problem and
Okay. For that, what did you do? What did you do?
I had to delete the whole thing and restart.
Yeah. Okay, you can make the different project actually. You can make a new project. Okay. We will sort out shortly. No
Wait,
problem.
I'll check this. I think.
This is the new project.
Jyoti, when this happens is whenever we try to rename something, right? When we try
Oh,
to rename the form of something, this error comes up.
okay, okay, I can understand. But some students here in our project side, some students they have, but it நாங்கள் நிறைய அதை ட்ரை பண்ணியிருக்கோம் பட் வி cannot ரெக்டிஃபை தட் ரெக்டிஃபை அந்த மாதிரி ஏன் வருதுன்னு டிசைன் ஃபார்மே வராது உங்களுக்கு.
இது வந்து ரிஷு நியூ ப்ராஜெக்ட் கிரியேட் பண்ணப்ப எரர் வருதா?
New project. இல்ல. I don't.
ஆ.
I
The
think it
calculator.
takes a lot of memory because it's a big library, so it takes a lot of library. I think you have to wait for sometimes also. Once you open the project, you have to wait up to load fully things. Okay.
கிரி அந்த ரிஷு அந்த எல்லோ கலர்ல ஒரு இது வருது பாரு. அது என்னன்னு படி. அங்க ஒரு வார்னிங் குடுக்குது பாரு.
Only one remain
அத கிளிக்
displays.
பண்ணு. என்ன சொல்லுது?
Solution.
It says the main display is at 125%. I ain't changed the size.
கிரி.
Main display, what it says?
The main display is set to 125%.
Oh,
ஓகே. இட் ஷுட் பி ஒன்லி 100%. வித் வந்து அவனுக்கு அதிகமா காமிக்குது.
அதான் அதான் அந்த வைட் ஸ்க்ரீனாக இருக்கலாம் மேபி அந்த மாதிரி சம்திங் ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கலாம். கிளிக் கிளிக் தட்.
கிளிக் ஆன் லேர்ன் மோர் ரிஷு. கிளிக் ஆன் தட் லேர்ன் மோர். அந்த ப்ளூ
One
கலர்ல
second.
ஒரு வேர்ட் இருக்குல்ல.
One second if I do this.
சரி வேணா அத க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிக்கோ. அந்த இடத்துல எல்லோ கலர் க்ளோஸ் விண்டோ
இல்லாட்டி
இருக்குல்ல
அந்த
அங்க க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிக்கோ.
அந்த எல்லோ கலரில் கூட கிளிக் பண்ணலாம். சம்திங் ஏதாவது ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் சொல்லும். அது சொல்யூஷன்
அதுதான்.
சொல்லும்.
அத
நாட்
கிளிக் பண்ணு.
லேண்ட் மோரில் இல்லாமல் கூட கிளிக் பண்ணலாம். தள்ளி கூட கிளிக் பண்ணுவோம். You can
This.
you can click right on the land mode, right side on the empty space on the land mode. Ah, yeah, in there. Click, double click or anything. Do
ஒண்ணும் வர மாட்டேங்குது. அவன்
வரல
கிளிக் பண்றான்.
வரல.
No, it won't.
Okay. Then you can click land mode. Land mode. Okay.
Oh,
Okay, no problem. Now you can see the properties window. No.
yeah.
Now you can see. Okay. So click add, change the four color as a white, because you set the background color is a dark yellow color. So you need to change the light color four color. So come to the property window, change the white color. Monish also listen that. Akilan also try to listen that. Oh.
Hello?
Yeah. My internet is problem, I think. Because today I
I
am
just can't
trying
hear you
in
guys.
my office side. So this is first day in office. I'm connecting. Okay. Okay. Now you can understand these things. No, we will.
Give me one.
Okay. Okay. Just Monish, I want to see your screen. Did you do any homework? Because once you homework
I tried
only,
to
you
do it, but
should
I can't
have
get the label box up
lot of problem, lot of issue
yeah, I
you
tried to
have.
do it, but I couldn't get the label to pop up.
Oh, okay. Show your code. Show your code, Rishu. Show your code. Double click on the add button. Yes, we can see the code.
Yeah, got it.
Is there any problem? I will tell you.
Okay. Do you want me to? That's it.
Okay.
Should I? Should I really?
Just double click on the add button. Then we can see the code. Double click on it. Yes. Wait a minute. It's loading. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Your code is right actually, but you just do like calculum. Okay. You need to create one variable and then store it inside the variable. After that, you need to display the along with the
Okay.
string in your label box. Okay. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So tomorrow in next class, tomorrow, no. So tomorrow you just correct yourself and run again in front of me. Okay,
Okay.
okay. You just stop your screen. Monish, can you able to share your screen now?
Yeah, I couldn't get like the right section to come up.
What? What can I? What
I
you?
couldn't get like the right hand section to come up. But
I can't understand what you are saying. Could you?
oh sure. Mute yourself. Mute yourself.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you need some time. Okay.
I can't get this part to come up.
For a while, okay. I can understand lately. Okay. Okay. Okay, Kanna. Where is your screen? That is arithmetic operator. Oh, you are doing right now only, is it?
No, I just couldn't get like this part to come up on the right.
Okay.
Go into view,
What, Kana? What?
and then if you go down, there's a toolbox.
Oh, toolbox. There is no toolbox. Okay.
Oh no. Oh,
Okay. 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 So that I'm asking to share everybody. Okay. Yes, toolbox, everything. Project Explorer window. You can get from the view menu. Okay, you can get from. So no.
ஏன் screen அப்படி தெரியுது? ஜோதி ஏன்
ஆ
ஸ்கிரீன் அப்படி தெரியுது மோனிஷ்க்கு?
யாருக்கு?
யாரு ஸ்கிரீன் ஷேர் பண்றா இப்போ, மோனிஷா நீங்களா?
மோனிஷ் தான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றாங்க. அவங்க டூல் பாக்ஸ் காணும்னாங்க. டூல் பாக்ஸ் இருக்குது. லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு இருக்கு. இப்பதான் எடுத்துட்டு வந்திருக்காங்க. யா கிளிக் தட். உங்களுக்கு ஸ்கிரீன் தெரியலையோ?
No, no, I can see, I can see.
Okay. Okay. Now only you are going to do it. Okay. Okay. No problem. Monish, take your time and finish it in the next class. Okay.
okay.
Okay. You can know the steps, no?
Yeah, no.
Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask Akilan and Rishu also, because they are all both them already almost finished. Discuss with you they all.
ஜோதி,
Ah,
இவங்க 2 பேரும் எப்படி முடிச்சாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க? நேத்து ரிஷுவ வீட்டுக்கு வர சொல்லி 2 மணி
okay.
நேரம் நான் உட்கார்ந்து பண்ண வண்டியா கொட்டி பண்ண வச்சேன். இல்லைன்னா இவங்க பண்ணிருப்பாங்க.
அதான் 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 மோனிஷ் சிரிக்கிறாப்புல.
பட்
என்ன இவங்கிட்ட கேட்க
யா
சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்னு. within
பட் மோனிஷ்
within friends
கால்
we
வா,
can
ஸ்கிரீன்
discuss.
ஷேர் பண்ண ரிஷுவோ அகிலனா ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவாங்க.
ஆஹ்
உனக்கு தெரியலனா.
அதான்
மோனிஷ்.
அவனுக்கு. அதனாலதான் அவன் சிரிக்கிறான், ஸ்மைல் பண்றான். Okay, it's not bad, no. Within our friends, we can discuss each other. Okay. Okay, all of you stop your
மோனிஷ்
screen. I will share my
மோனிஷ்
screen.
ரெக்கார்டிங்ஸ் எல்லாம் நான் உங்களுக்கு அதுல ரீஷேர் பண்ணிருக்கேன். உங்களை அந்த குரூப்ல ஆட் பண்ணி ஆன்ட்டி அனுப்பிச்சது எல்லாம். ரெக்கார்டிங்ஸ் கோ த்ரூ பண்ணினா ஃபாலோ பண்ணினாவே தெரியும் உனக்கு. அந்த 3 வீடியோ யூடியூப் வீடியோ அனுப்பிச்சிருக்காங்கல்ல. நீ அந்த குரூப்ல இருக்கல மோனிஷ்.
Yeah.
சோ கோ த்ரூ பண்ண ஈஸியா தான் இருக்கு. அத கோ த்ரூ பண்ணி அப்படியே நீ செஞ்சிரு. சரி, அந்த 3
Okay.
ஹோம் ஒர்க்கும். ஓகே.
Okay.
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 தேங்க்ஸ் ஜோதி.
Okay. Okay. So today we are going to learn the new things. Okay. So then only you can able to do the next things easily. So just listen, Monish. Don't feel you didn't do anything. So after 1 or 2 class, you all definitely will sit. Okay. This is our third class only, so no problem. So can you all able to see my screen now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So all of you mute yourself. Then you can hear me clearly. Okay. Now I'm going to teach you how to add new form and how to run that particular form. Okay. So first I'm going to add new form along with this arithmetic form. So for that you need to right click on this, right click on the project. Okay. Not from the form. Just you need to right click on the form, sorry, project. What is your project name? Arithmetic calculation. So you need to right click on the project, then go to add, then you can add the form, windows form directly you can add. Okay, so I'm going to click that form. So it take you to the different window. This is the template window. Here you can change the template, but no need to change because we need only the windows forms in all our project. We are going to do with windows forms only, so do not change anything. So just keep it on windows forms and name it as, that should be comes like dot .vb. So confirm, make sure it is dot .vb, because don't want C sharp anything. So only we need Visual Basic. So dot .vb. Okay. So change the name of the form. This is our we want to learn about the list box and test box. So I just make it list and text. list text box form, that is a forum. I want to change a list, that is text box, then form, a forum form. So just click OK. Okay, this is our new form. This is our new form. You can make it resize it and get the toolbox. If it is not available, go to your new menu. You can make it a visible. All the window you can make it a visible from the view menu. Okay. Then from your toolbox, you just place as usual for the heading. You can place your label box, and I want to type and add some things into the list box. So before that, I just run one form and then show the coding. So I'm going to run. You just see what happened. Okay, what will happening here? Just observe. So I have, what are the tools I have? So this is the form. Okay, what we are seeing, it's called a form has a title bar. This is title of the form. This is icon of the form. In future you can change the icon also. This is minimize button, maximize button, and close button. What are the controls are there? How many controls are there? Four controls are there. One is text box. This is called a list box. This is called a label box. This is called button. So what are the event you learned? Click event you learned. Whenever I am clicking the button, I can write the code. Is it? This is the event you learned so far. So now I'm going to type. I'm going to type Akilan. So AI Akilan. When I type the Akilan name, it says hello Akilan. Is it? So when I'm going to press the enter key. Listen carefully. I'm going to just press the enter key. Once I press enter, it automatically added into the list box and cleared from the text box. What will happen? Suppose if I type Monish, it will say, when I am typing, it will say hello Monish. If I press enter key, it will automatically added. Okay, likewise Rishu, it's automatically added into the list box. This is called list. Here we have a list of values. You just learn the tools one by one. Then after picking up one project, you can use all these tools as you want. Okay. So once you just understand about the tools and the events of that particular control, then you can use it wherever you want, and how we want to use, you can use it. Before that, you need to study about the tools carefully, how to add these items in the list box, how to remove the items in the list box from the list box. Then what are the events available in the list box? There are more, but you need to learn at least one or two. Okay, so that's be what we are going to do. So when I type the code, I want to display along with the when I type along with, I want to display in the label box. Then after pressing enter key, it will identify that particular key and then add that particular entered item into the list box, then removed from the text box. So how will you do that? So without box we can do. For that, I'm going to take a one new label box. So what is called item list. So this is the label name. I don't want to change this. Label name, leave it as, but text I want to store. Add item to the list. So this is my heading. I want to make it as big. So carefully listen that. So go to font, make it big. So 24, and I can change. So you just make it as you want. So add item to the list. This is my heading. Okay, after adding this heading, I want to add the text box now. So where is the text box? Just search in the T. So this is my text. Once I entered, I need to add that particular item in the list. So search the list box, which is ordered at the L. So label link list list box. This is the list box, not list view, list box. So track it and track like this. So this is my list box. I need to change the font. So change the font bold and make it big and change the background color. So try to design nicely. Okay. Try to
How
design. What kana?
how do you like how you put list box one? How can you underline that?
Okay. I just move. Okay. First, if you want to make a wait a minute. Okay, this is my form. So you just find out the control. These are all the control in the toolbox. I show you everything. Carefully listen. You just ask. Okay, then only I can teach you. Okay, these are all the toolbox. So all window forms are there, common controls, containers, menus. Some of the tools may repeated in some tab because they just grouped it together and subgroup, make it a subgroup. So for your easy understanding, all the menus regarding menus and toolbar, it will be available in menu and toolbar only. All the printing related toolbar is it available in the printing toolbar only. Okay, these are all the tab list of tabs. We all using all windows form that is fully supported by a windows, then only it will not supported in the mac os because vb means visual basic, that is. So all windows forms we can have all the control which is supported in the windows operating system, not in the mac. So you can select any control. So here list box means list of items we have. Suppose if you open winword, you need to come to know about the tools names, you know about the button, because you can see everywhere okay button, cancel button, yes or no button, is it? Likewise you need to know about the control name. This is the font dialog box. One నిమిషం. Oh, okay. This is the font dialog box. This is the simple form. Okay. What is this tool name? Font and advanced. What you call the Monish or who asked you now? Monish asked now, no?
No, it's me.
Rishu asked now. Is it?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Rishu, what is this button? Set as default. This is a button, is it?
Yes, this is a button.
Okay. What is called body plus body? No, what is called this area?
It's a label.
Very not label. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I will
Oh,
go
it's
to
a
the.
text box.
Wait a minute.
It's a text box, right?
Okay, very good, very good. Text box. Okay. Okay. It is easy. I came to the point only. Okay. Okay. What is called? Text box. Okay. What is this called?
Yeah,
Font.
that's a label, right?
Ah, yeah, that's the label. Okay. This is the text box. Okay. This is the label box. What is called? This is list box.
That's a list box.
Ah, yeah. From there, you can select some of list. Here you can select some of list of options. Here we have a list box. So you are learning just what you learn here, how to use this list box. So you need to learn how to add items, how to select items, how to remove from the items from the list. You need to learn individually, not in the practical way in real time project. You cannot learn in using the real time project. You cannot learn because it's too tough. So you just learned scatter like a scattered things. After learning all those things scattered, then you can group it together for your project. You just come up with an idea and then come make one project like a MS Office or anything. Not MS Office is a big project, no, it's a big team behind that. So you just make it simple project. You can make a library project, anything you can like, you can make it. So for that you can make the idea which box is suitable for here. Here list box is suitable. Okay, what is called, this is what is called, none is,
Last,
this control what is called, you don't know, no?
no.
So these things we are going to learn. This is the combo box. Here we have a list of items. You can select from that items. This is called combo or a drop down box. Okay, okay, understand? So
Yes.
individually, so now initially we are individually learning these controls one by one. So whatever control I can cover, I can cover. Yeah, because you are little kids, no? So much of tools are here. Actually, it's a big software. I already told to Akil and mom. This is a very big, vast syllabus, but we can able to cover the needed things, which is helpful to develop a simple project. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that is so much actually. In your school, you will be like a hero in this software after learning this. Okay, I will definitely make you all. I can able to make you. Then you can move over me. You can move. You can learn yourself more than I taught you. I taught you. Okay, you can able to learn. Okay. So for that we are going to do list box. So just listen the box carefully, then automatically it will go inside your mind. Okay, this is list box, this is test box, this is combo box, this is button, this is label box. One by one you will learn automatically. You don't feel about that. Okay, these are all the different name for you. I know, but every class you will learn single tool. Okay. This is combo box. I will show you drop down box. We call it as sometime. Uh, that is combo or drop down. In that name, it will come. I will show you. So I missed that.
Can you not just type it in?
Okay. There combo box. Yeah. So this is combo box. Okay.
Yeah.
This is combo box, not a list box. So we will teach more after this. Okay. Okay. Now change the color.
Okay.
We will move fast. Then go to the font as I want. You just make it more colorful and more neatly looking. You just make, okay. Change the font color always. Make it nice color. Always make it contrast, which means a light color or any dark color. Go with the white color text. That will be nice. So this is our color. I want to change my text box also. You can change the appearance, so later on we will see about that. Now I want to change the font because then only you can see clearly. So designing is most important. So that I'm spending some time. So you all are didn't concentrate on the designing, but you need to concentrate on your designing. Today Akilan did it nice, really nice. It's so nice. He arranged in some way, no? Add and then subtract and then multiply. He arranged neatly actually. So so you try to present in good way, in superb way. Okay, always. Okay, now our form is ready. Here we are going to type, and then after pressing the enter key, I need to add that particular element to that particular list. Okay, list box. So here add item, that is fruit list. So I want to make another copy. I just pressed control key and then dragged it take as a copy. Hold down the control key and move one control, it will take the copy of that particular control. But carefully do that because it confused. So at the beginning you don't try to control drag, just add every time you just draw the control. That is good practice initially. Okay, that is fruits name. We are going to add some fruits names here. So fruits list, this is fruits list we are going to add. So now I'm going to run my file. It this doesn't run that particular file, it always run the arithmetic calculator, the first form. Why? Because the startup form is, we have two form. Okay, we already added one extra form, but it already, this is the startup form. Because in project, go to project properties, the startup form is set as a arithmetic form. So we need to change the particular form. The form one is the name of the arithmetic form. In your form, it will be like arithmetic calculator only, but here I named it as a form 1, so it's show as a form 1, that is arithmetic form. I need to change my form, startup form. So startup form, change it, and close it. Then now try to run. So now you can get your new form. So how you change the run dialog box? You need to, you can add more forms in your project, doing right click on the project window, then add go to window form. So likewise you can add, name the form carefully, then save it, press Ctrl yes. After adding the form, if you want to select that form as a startup form, you need to go project properties, then set your project startup form as your new form name, then close it. No need to click any save button, just to close it, select and close it, it will save it automatically. Then run again, the new form will come up when you run. Okay, likewise you can run using some button. You can change over the form when you run. In 1 or 2 3 4, after 3 4 classes I will teach you how to do that. Okay, until that you just select startup form and then run that particular form. So you can maintain single project. Within that single project you can add more form. Okay, now listen. Okay, what fruit you like more? Apple?
Is that new code?
Is that what kana?
Um, is there no code? Like, what's the code? There's no code. Did you just?
Ah, yeah, you I didn't add any code, but I'm trying to add Apple. Okay, what will happen? We will see. I know.
Oh, okay.
Okay, okay. I didn't write. Okay, Akilan is right. I just designed the form. I didn't write any code for this control, but even though I am trying to run. Okay, Apple. I pressed enter. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. I just pressed enter now. It nothing happened. Okay, I pressed it already. I pressed it, nothing happened because I didn't write any code. When I press enter key, okay, so there is no button here. If you can put the button, when I click that button I can add it. So just listen. I just make the button bigger. So just always make it color, then only it will be nice. Okay, my button name is add food. Add the food. What the color? Background color. Because of fruits, I selected this pink. So when I click this button, I want to add this text into this list box. So what is the list box name? Just note it down. Before writing the code, you always note the control name. What are the control you are going to use in your code? Always select that name. Always note down the name. So this is our list box name, list box 1. This is our test box name, test box 1. This is our button name, button 1. Okay, so when I click that button, I want to add the particular text into this list box, not the enter key. Okay, first learn this and then we will change the code. So double click on it, button click event handles button dot click this event. So you should maintain the same name, button click. If you copy the code for the button 2, just copy and paste it, make it a button 2, and here also button 2. So change the name carefully both the side and maintain equally, then only it will works nice, otherwise it won't works. If it is automatically put any comma, you erase it unnecessary. So this is the right way. I'm going to add list box item. Okay, listen. What is my list box name? List box 1. So that put just put dot. Once you put the dot, it will bring up with some list of menus. That is pop-up menu. From that menu, you just select the items. Because I need to add the items no in the list box. So select the items, then again press dot, it will again come up with some function, that is add function. So select the add function, this is the function actually. So put opening bracket, then inside that particular method you need to pass the text box text as a argument. This is called argument. So here we are passing the particular data text box. Look carefully. This is testbox.text. If I put apple means the apple will come here. So the apple is adding the particular list box items. So already items are there. It will added at the end. So this is the way you can easily add. So listbox one dot items dot add. So within the bracket you should pass your argument, that is testbox one dot text. Okay, when it happens, when I click the button, whenever I click the button it will happen. Okay, let's run. I just simply add the code, simply, very simply. So just press apple. I'm trying to press enter key but it won't happen because I didn't write for the enter key. I just write the code for button click. So I press the button, it will add immediately. But it not showed actually correct way. Because why? Because after adding the button, after adding the fruits names, I need to clear this. Suppose if I didn't clear, if I pressed again, whatever the text available in the text box, it will automatically add it again and again. Whenever I click the button, it will just add whatever I can give, just add. Suppose I just leave one single space, I just put down arrow, second item, third item, fourth item, fifth item, sixth item, seventh item, eighth item. It doesn't come because there is no item. Okay. Now I just put added. Here it come down because empty. This empty space also added here. It's added here. Suppose if I add this after two empty space, it added here because whatever I gave in the text box, it will added in the list. Because whenever you pressing the particular button, it will automatically add. Always the code will write what you write, that's it. If you put dot, it will show the dot. If you don't if you don't put the dot, it don't show the particular dot. Whatever you are doing in your code, that will happen on the screen. Okay, otherwise you cannot see anything. So I just add the particular text box item without checking anything, it just added, that's it. Okay, we will collect on later, correct on later. Okay, empty string you should not add, no. So we will correct later. Single day we cannot see everything. So after adding, I need to improve the visual form. Because I pressed apple. If I put click, it's added, but here you need to clear. So for that, After adding the apple to that list box, you need to clear your text box. So for that, clear option are also available, but I want to put different way, that is double quotes. So dot text, just clear it. Within the double quotes, I didn't give anything, even a space, I didn't give anything. Even a space I didn't give. Okay, now see the difference. See the difference. I'm going to add apple. I just pressed. It looks nice, no? Again, I'm going to banana. Add banana. Add it. So I'm going to type um, orange, but I typed O here, but nothing happened because the focus is changed. So the focus is changed to the different way because the text box lost his focus after adding the fruits names. Once I have arranged where the cursor is there, where the cursor is there in text box, no. So now the text box having the focus. Suppose if I press tab key, now the list box having the focus. If I press tab key, the add button having the focus. If I press enter, the add button will get clicked. Now the list box only having the focus. My text box, sorry, my button only having the focus, not the text box. So after adding the orange, automatically the text box get the focus because then only I can add immediately. For that, you need to type text box edit, then only you can edit the code. Look at the run button carefully. This is run button, this is pause button, this is end button. When you are running your code, you cannot add anything in the code window, so you have to end the code. You might be you can face the same problem. After ending the application, then you can add, then only you can add. So test box one dot set focus. uh, get focus or check focus, anything is there. Focus, I just called it as focus. We will try. Yeah, immediately it get the focus. So orange, I just press enter. After getting immediately focus, can you able to see the difference? After adding after clicking the button, immediately it get focus, the text box get focus. So where you want to get the focus, you can just call the focus. So note it down. So whenever you are click the button, it just added the given information in the text box to your list items. Then immediately after adding the item, it will clear the text box. After clearing the text box, it will focus. The cursor is placed inside the text box immediately. Then you can type the next item without any break. Can you understand what is happening here? Can you, Akilan, can you see the difference? Do you have any doubt in that code, Akilan?
I don't get what the difference was. Like I
Okay,
couldn't see.
okay. I will tell you again. Monish, can you see the difference? Focus and not focus.
No, really.
Okay, Monish also can't understand. Okay, no problem. Rishu, what about you? You can see the difference?
No, I don't understand this.
Okay. So I'm going to comment this. Very good, very good. Through mistakes and misunderstanding only you can learn more. So all of you just mute yourself. Uh, okay, thank you. Mute yourself. I'm going to teach again the focus concept. Just look at carefully. I'm going to disable this line because I don't want to run this line. Okay, just put single quote. Single quote means it just leave the line. It won't the run the line. Okay, I don't want to delete, but I don't want to run the code. If you want to comment, that is called comment. If you want to comment that line, you can comment. For comment your line, you should put the single code operator in front of the line, so it will comment the whole line. Okay. Okay, look here. When I press the button, it just added the item. Okay, whatever I typed in the particular box, it will added the item, then it will remove the particular item from the text box. Then after that, the cursor is placed where? The cursor is placed in the button area only, not in the text box. So now I run the code and show you the difference. Okay. Now where is the cursor? The blinking cursor. Where is the text box? Okay. Akilan, you answer me. One of the person just answer me. Rishu and Monish, listen carefully. Akilan, answer me. Where is the cursor is blinking?
Like,
Yeah, the text box. Okay.
yes, it's
Uh,
got it.
if I pressed tab key, now the focus is changed to the list box. Can you able to see?
Yeah, yeah,
This is
yeah,
called focus. If I press the shift tab, it come back to text box again. Can you see?
yeah.
I pressed what press? Tab key and shift tab, it will come back. If you go forward, just press tab key. Okay.
Okay.
So the
Yeah.
focus is transferred text box into the list box now. Now
Okay.
again, I just instruct you what I am going in the keyboard, what I am going to press in the keyboard. I tell you, okay, I tell you, and then only press. So carefully listen. Now I am going to press the tab key again. The control is transferred again to the button. So look at the button carefully. I am going to press the tab key. So what happened? The control is transferred to the button, no?
Yeah.
Ah, so that is called focus. Why? Because without mouse you can use tab key and enter key. You can operate your phone without mouse. So
But without the mouse, how would you like
uh,
use your computer?
because in our computer, if you are going to do you if you are all going to do some project, you just think about the user friendly software. You just make it as a user friendly software, which means suppose if the mouse get faulted, the software should able to work in the able to work in using the keyboard alone. So these are all the
Okay.
controls and the format also available in the, not the special one. This is all available in the normal window, because these are all windows based. Suppose if I am going to font dialog box, I didn't use mouse, okay? I didn't use mouse, okay? So I just leave my mouse, okay? All of you look carefully. If I press tab key, it will transfer over through every control. Look at carefully. If you can able to change, it will come. Label box, it won't come because you cannot change anything in there. But it will come the checkbox. If I press space bar, it will check. If I press space bar again, it will uncheck, because focus is there. Can you able to see the focus? This is unfocus. This focus. Use contextual alternates. Get focus now. Got focus now. Now it lost his focus because I pressed shift tab. Okay. Okay. Can you all having the Windows word? WinWord. Can you all having?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Open our window. Open your WinWord. WinWord. Open your MS Office Word. Go to MS Office Word, all of you. Just listen and do it carefully. Press Control D in there.
Control D. Ah, yeah,
You can get to font dialog box now.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Monish, did you get in your window Word, in your MS Office Word? Monish, Rishu. Can you get?
I'm ready again.
Akilan get? Okay. Monish get, I think. Rishu, what about you? Did you get?
I can't. It's
Okay.
because I'm updated to a new software, right? So
Oh,
I
no
kind of.
problem. No problem. No problem. You just press instead of Control D, you pressed Windows key plus R. Windows key plus R. That is run dialog box.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. In there, just press tab key. All of you. Akilan and Monish, you can press tab key in the font dialog box. Monish, press your tab key in the run dialog box. You can get the focus. Every control, you can get the focus.
Yeah, like it like moves. The cursor like
Ah,
moves.
it moves, no? That is called focus.
Wait, where is it?
Ah, look here. It all get focused. Wherever you want to change, it will change. When you get focused, you can press space bar at enter key. If you check the checkbox, I can press space bar. When you get focus in the button, you can press enter key. It will click that button automatically without a mouse. This is the Windows basic operation. Supported operation. In all Windows, it will work. In all Windows forms. Because Visual Basic is purely supported by a Windows control, no? Okay. So
Yeah,
once come back to the screen. So can you able to see the screen now, all of you? Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Now our focus is on the test box. So the cursor is blinking inside the test box. Then only I can type easily. No. Hi. I can type easily. So if I press add, the fruit it will add. So after adding the button, after adding the item apple, I press the button. It added, but the item focus is not here. I want to focus in this test box immediately. So I called it as a test box one dot get focus. The focus is on the test box one. It will change like that. For that, I just adding this line. If you come up with the screen like this is the breakpoint. You no need this. In future, we will see about this. When you run the code, if you want to see somewhere value, you can put this breakpoint. So it will come to the particular point when it runs. So you just remove that breakpoint. For that, just click on the ball again. So it will remove. Okay. If you clicked accidentally like this, just click again the ball, red ball, so it will automatically get deleted. So that is breakpoint. Okay, here we no need to take any breakpoint. So now can you understand the code? How to add?
yeah,
Okay, very good, very good. So now I am going to do another category, that is if I want to if I typed apple here, I want to display like I like apple. Okay, so my label box, this is my label box. Okay, what is the label box name? Note it down. The label box name is label 3. Change the color. I'm going to finish. Wait a minute. This is our last concept. So this is our color. I want to make it dark color. Okay. So look carefully. I'm going to type. Okay, that event is called text event, text changing event. So Apple, when I type the letter inside the box, the event is called every time. When I press A, the text changed event will call. When I press P, the change event will call. When I press P again, the change event will call. L, change event called. E, change event called. If you press your button, the button will call the click event. No, likewise, when you press every time, it will call the change event. That is test change event. So if you double click the test box like a button, it will take you to the text changed events. Every time you will change or type or delete anything, this event will automatically call. So that time you need to change the label 3 text as I like plus on the particular text box one dot text. If I type A, I like A. If I type P, I like AP. If I type P again, I like APP. If I like next letter L, then again it will trigger and then type I like APPL. If I type E, once I finished apple, again it will call again, triggered, get triggered, and come I like apple. So you can plus is a acts like a concatenation which is joining a string. So I put the exclamation symbol after this. So I like apple exclamation. So that's what I want to display. So what's the event? Changed event. Text changed event. So look carefully. I'm going to press reissue R. So look here. I like R. I. I like re. Yes. I like rish. Hutch. I like rish. You. I like rishu. Can you understand? Every time I pressed Munish, I like Munish. I pressed apple, I like apple. It will show like that. What are the event you learned so far? So whenever button get clicked, you can write some code. So whenever change the text of the text box, you can write the code inside the text changed event. So two events you learned: click event and text box text changed event. Can you understand this, Akilan, Monish, Rishu? Can you understand this? Can you understand this? This the plus is doing the concatenation. It's a joining the string. It's just joining this string
Yes.
and this string. Ah, okay. Who's okay? Rishu understand? Monish understand?
Yes.
Okay. It's easy, no? Simple, no? It's simple.
Yes, it is simple.
Okay. Then you can do so much, no? So much, no, or not? My
Yeah, yeah.
my
Yes, we
English,
can do so much.
my English might be make you all laugh. Is it? Can you understand clearly what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Akilan understand. Okay, Akilan, you correct. Okay. Okay, I will send you the homework. What the homework already given? Have you finished all?
Mm,
Yes.
I have.
Okay.
Manish.
What are the what are
Manish, have
the
you finished it?
what are the things you didn't do yet?
Me and Rishi have done everything.
Okay.
Yeah, we did it yesterday.
I already
Manish, did
asked
you
you.
do it?
I already asked you to place the Moonish. I think Moonish. I already asked you to place 5 buttons to show the different 5 quotes, motivational quotes. Is it quote
I
one?
couldn't get
What Kana?
I couldn't get my quotes up. I don't know why. I've only got my calculator. But Ackland, didn't I do my quotes right?
Yeah. Me and Rishi did everything.
Oh, you did what?
I did everything. But I don't know why my quotes are not coming up.
Yeah. Quote
Mm,
one, quote two.
I can share my screen and show.
Okay. Okay.
I try to find for it now.
Yeah, I've got it.
Okay, I will stop my screen. You share your screen. Who finished? Just share your screen and show your work.
Let Rishu share Tanga. He did not share it.
Yeah.
He's not able to.
Mm,
Rishu, are you not able to share your work?
you couldn't get it to me.
Yeah, I'm just trying to check on the File Explorer Pro.
Which should I share?
From your recent, can you open? In your recent yesterday's one, it will be
Alright,
there.
put that bunny client people.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna do it now. I'm doing it now.
Yeah, share your screen. Let's see. Because I remember your laptop, your screen, how it was yesterday. It will be slow, ma. You have to wait.
Yeah.
So slow, so
பேஷன்ஸே கிடையாது இவங்களுக்கெல்லாம். அப்படியே கிளிக் பண்ணா எல்லாம் மேக் வச்சிருக்காங்க ஜோதி. எல்லாம்
அதான்
கேஜெட்ஸ்
அதான்.
எல்லாம்.
அதனால ஃபாஸ்ட்
லெவல்ல
பண்ணாங்க.
ஒர்க் பண்ணணும்னா.
அதான் அதான். பட் சிஸ்டம்னால கூட கிடையாது. விபி டாட் நெட்டே கொஞ்சம் பெரிய லைப்ரரின்றதுனால இட் வில் டேக் சம் டைம். அது அவங்களுக்கு புரியணும்.
இல்ல அதுவும் அக்லன் ரொம்ப பழைய கான்ஃபிகரேஷன் லேப்டாப் விண்டோஸ்
ஓகே.
யூஸ் பண்றான்.
Windows 6.
ரிஷுதுமே அவங்க அப்பாவோட லேப்டாப் தான். நேத்து எல்லாம் ஃபார்மேட்
Yeah,
பண்ணி
I
கொடுத்திருக்காரு.
put on the
ஓகே.
screen.
ஆ
ஆ.
சூப்பர் சூப்பர். ஓகே. ரன் த கோட் அண்ட் ஷோ.
Yeah.
பட் ரிஷு நேத்து நீ வீட்டுக்கு போய் எல்லாம் அலைன் பண்ணி நல்லா பண்றேன்னு சொன்னா பண்ணவே இல்ல போல இருக்கு.
யூ ஆல்வேஸ் பிரசன்ட் நைஸ்லி. ட்ரை டு பிரசன்ட்.
இல்ல நேத்து டைம் இல்ல. வீட்ல
ஓகே.
சும்மா ரெடி பண்ணிட்டு சரி வீட்ல போய் எல்லாம் ரெடி பண்ணு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி இருந்தேன் நேத்து.
ஆனா பண்ணல
It's
போல.
because it's because I went to Acuren's house and then I had to go send the
ஆ
and
நைஸ்.
then I have to go collect after.
ஓகே.
Again, Rishu is presenting. Why did you do that?
I don't know.
Sorry, Rishu, you have to represent. You know.
No, he's still.
Oh.
We were both presenting.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay. You arranged nicely. The second form is so nice actually.
Okay, I got it.
But you did not
That
copy the
one.
code, is it? What is that? I will pin you.
So over button click பண்ணும்போது இந்த கோட் வருது ஜோதி அவனது.
Okay. Something codes அவங்க கொடுக்குறாங்களா?
ரிஷு கிளிக் பண்ணு ரிஷு எல்லா பட்டன் 5 மெசேजेस காட்டு எங்களுக்கு.
Can't see it.
Because your screen is very small.
ஏன் பின் ஆகல? ஓகே.
I got all 5.
Okay. You got
Wait,
all.
if I want me to, can I
Yes.
see it now?
I have not.
Yeah, we can see, but we get the small screen only for everyone. Very good. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I will make the pin. Why it showed like a small one? Okay, pin this title.
Rishi, you have to present it tomorrow nicely. With
Okay.
all, you know, nice ones. I don't want the name button 1, button 2 and all.
Okay. I'll change it. But
Yeah. Just type the resemble name or resemble title. If you show the motivational quotes according to education, you can give us a education quotes like that. You can show. Okay.
yeah.
Should I share mine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Super. Just improve your presentation. So that's important in Visual Basic.
This is my one.
Did you run?
Super.
Code 1. Never back down.
Okay, never back down.
Code 2. Never give up.
Okay.
Code 3. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it.
Okay.
4. The most important way to succeed is always to try one more time.
Super. Very good. Very good.
And it always seems impossible until it's done.
Wow. Yes, nice. Very nice. Last quote is so nice. Really. If you practice, it's all is possible. No. Yeah. It always impossible until it's done. Okay. Super, Kanna. Super. Nice. I want to see every of your quotes. Okay. Motivational quotes. Nice. The third one, which is Third one, I think fourth one. Not one. Fourth one. Fourth one, I think. This is what we need here. Okay. Rishu and Monish, what we need here, the most certain way to succeed, it always try to just it one more time. Okay. So practice again and again. So come up with your new idea. Okay. So the next work. Can I give the next one? You all stop the
Which one?
screen. I will share my screen and show the homework.
Rashaban.
Monish, do you want to share? Codes முடிச்சிட்டியா? காட்டு. Share
Yes.
பண்ணு.
Ah, Monish, you can also share.
Yeah. Okay.
Ooh. What is
Wow, show message one. Hello.
oh?
Okay. I'm asking what? Never give up. Okay, that is the motivational quotes. What is this? What?
Believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself. Okay.
Yeah.
Make it short and sweet. Okay. What is failure is another stepping stone to success. Okay. What is the first word? Hello. Huh?
Hello? Hello?
Okay. Hello world. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay, Kanna. Okay. Super. But you did your homework, no? I'm so happy.
Very motivational.
Okay. 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 I will share my screen and okay. ம். நல்லா சிரிப்பா இருக்குது. ஓகே. சிரிங்க அப்பதான் ஜாலியா
நெக்ஸ்ட்
இருக்கும்
வீக்
கிளாஸ்.
எல்லாம் இதுல ஹேண்டிலே பண்ண முடியாது நீங்க.
அதான்
உங்களுக்கு
அதான்.
சொல்லி தருங்க பாருங்க.
ஆமாமா. கண்டிப்பா, கண்டிப்பா. Okay. Look here. In next class, I want to see your mark statement. அங்க mark statement எப்படி? Akilan, what are the grade system we, in that follow? Because here we have 5 subjects. That is English, Math, Science. Likewise, we have. Then we calculate the total and average. Okay. So I want the same way. That is English, Mathematics, and science. Okay, at least 3 subject, you plan it for 3 subject as much you want. Suppose if you want to maintain lots of subject, you can maintain. So this is our test box for English and mathematics and science. Here is our total and average. What you do, this is total. Okay, total button. So this is our total button. Suppose if you click that button, the total will calculate. Then likewise, just design one average button. When I click the average button, it has to be calculate the average of these marks, okay, of this given mark. The another thing, once I entered the number here, using test changed event, no, so once I entered the number, immediately automatically the total gets calculated 45. Suppose once I entered the second marks, immediately the total will calculate 90, like this. I need not to press the button total or average. I need not to press the button. Once I edit the text box, immediately it will show the total and average. So once I pressed in English or in mathematics, in science, once I enter the number, immediately it will automatically call the calculated and display the total as well as the average. I want to display it. So what event already you learned? Text changed event. That is text change the event already we learned. Using that event, you just write the button click also, but then try to change text changed event. Okay, try to this event. So this button is no needed for me. If I change the name number of the marks, if I change the number, it will automatically get edited automatically without pressing any button. That is your homework. Okay, can you understand, Rishu? Can you understand this concept, what I am asking to do tomorrow? It's a simple one. How to calculate average? Total number of subject and divided by the number of subject. So total
Yeah.
number of subject is 50. 45, 45, 50 means 140 divided by 3. So you can get the average. Okay.
But how would we
Ag-
get the what code? Like what?
Uh, code is you need to write in every text changed. You need to write in uh, this test box change even, this test box change even, this test box change even. You need to write the code for three event also, because I can change here, I can change here, or I can change here. No. So wherever I change, I need to change my total because it affects the total. So when I try to change any of the box, the total and average immediately should get updated. So for that you need to write the code for all these three boxes. One, two, three. I need to write all these three boxes. First you try to write the code for button. What button? Total and average button. Try to write the code for this button. Then you move on to the next event, that is text changed event. Okay. Okay, Kanna?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. First try this. Then try with this. I will check it both tomorrow.
Okay.
Simple, no? Then we will move on to the if conditions. Once you learned the if conditions, then we can develop on a simple game. Simple game we can develop. Number puzzle game. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Akilan. Bye,
Bye.
Rishu. Bye. Bye, Monish.
Aki stay.
Bye.
Okay. Okay. Tomorrow we will meet.
Okay.
Okay.